Have you ever wondered what exactly happens to your vehicle after you drop it off for service? Well, in today's video, we will give you a behind-the-scenes look of our service process. After a service drive attendant guides you to your designated service advisor, our service drive team will check in your vehicle to confirm you have arrived for your appointment. To protect your vehicle's interior, we will then place plastic and paper inside of the vehicle. We will also place a numbered service tag on your rear view mirror for our team to easily identify your vehicle throughout the service process. Your vehicle will then drive over our tire tread depth reader to give you and your service advisor an accurate report on your tire's condition. Once the tire tread report is complete, your vehicle exits our service drive and is brought to a designated service parking spot. Our service drive attendant will then go into our shop and drop off your keys to our dispatch team. They will then assign your vehicle to the technician most suited for the intended service. The appointed technician will bring your vehicle to his prep station where the service will be completed in a timely manner. Once the technician has finished, he will check the performance of the vehicle to ensure that the service was successfully completed. If the vehicle is functioning to its greatest performance, he will make sure the exterior is cleaned with a complimentary car wash before it is returned to the service drive. Once the repair order is given to your service advisor, our process is complete and you'll be on your way in your clean, serviced BMW. Thank you for watching and be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more how-to and instructional videos.